of words right at this moment, but I cannot afford this because we have to speak. In spite of this, we are over the moon this afternoon to make our pitch. We are 3 of us in the group, like you can see. We are from Haiti. First of all, my name is Emmanuel Pierre. In my right, I have
Andreus Junior Silveus.
On the left, I have
Andreus Sanford.
So we are ready to make our lecture. So the title of this project is AI-powered algorithmic trading enhancement with generative models. So I'm gonna talk about the project overview. After that, other one will keep on talking about other title in the project. The project aims to harness the capabilities of new generative artificial intelligence tools to enhance algorithmic trading strategies by integrating generative models into trading algorithms. The project seeks to improve predictive accuracy, optimize risk management, and increase overall profitability for a trading firm or individual traders. Now, I leave the place to Junior Andreus. He's gonna talk about the project phases.
The project phases. Number 1, need assessment. Identify the need for enhanced trading strategies to increase returns and mitigate risks. Analyze current trading algorithms and their limitations. Number 2, data collection. Gather historical market data, including price movements, trading volumes, and relevant news and sentiment data. Number 3, AI model selection. Evaluate and select a suitable generative AI model, such as GPT-4 or specialized model for financial data analysis. Number 4, data preprocessing. Clean and preprocess the collected data for model training. Create a structured data set for training the AI model. Number 5, model training. Train the selected AI model on the financial data set. Fine-tune the model to predict market trends and news sentiment accurately. Number 6, integration with trading algorithms. Develop an integration strategy to incorporate the generative AI model's prediction into existing algorithm trading strategies. Number 7, risk management enhancement. Implement risk management algorithm that can adjust trading position based on the AI model's prediction to mitigate losses. Number 8, basketing. Conducting job basketing of the enhanced trading algorithms to evaluate their performance against historical data. Number 9, real-time trading. Implement the AI-enhanced trading algorithm in real-time trading environments with appropriate risk controls. And then number 10, continuous monitoring. Set up monitoring system to track the performance of the AI-enhanced trading algorithm in real time.
Now, we're gonna listen to Sanford. He's gonna talk about also about the project phases.
Number 11, performance metrics. Define key performance metrics and predict trading profitability, risk-adjusted returns and judgment. 12. Reporting and analytics. Employment reporting and analytics tools to analyze the impact of the generative AI model and trading performance. 13. Training and knowledge transfer. Train traders and analysts on how to interpret and work with the AI model's predictions and integrate them into trading decisions. 14. Project evaluation. Assess the project's success based on predefined performance metrics and portfolio performance.
Expected outcomes. So in every project, I'm sure that you always expect to have some good outcomes. 1. Improve trading strategies with enhanced predictive capabilities. Increase trading profitability and risk-adjusted returns. Efficient use of AI-driven insights to make better trading decisions. A scalable and adaptable system that can be applied to various asset classes and trading strategies. So, summary. By incorporation new generative AI tools into algorithmic trading, this project can significantly enhance trading strategies, predictive accuracy, and profitability, ultimately benefiting trading firms and individual investors. However, it's crucial to manage risk and remain vigilant in the dynamic world of financial markets.